Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. Today I've got another fantastic dressing for you. It's a garlic tahini dressing, and this would go great on salads or drizzled over a spaghetti squash or maybe a baked potato. That would be fantastic. So we're just going to get started. I have a half a cup of almond milk, but you can use any kind of plant milk you want, preferably unsweetened. Got a quarter of a cup of tahini, and this is also unsalted tahini. I have 2 dates and 2 cloves of garlic, minced garlic. And I have 1 lemon that we're going to juice. This dressing is just so simple and easy. You're going to be able to put it together in just a couple minutes and you'll have your salad dressing ready. And this dressing will keep up to about a week in the refrigerator. So, but it doesn't make a whole lot, so you might only be able to use it for 2 or 3 salads. And then we're just gonna blend it until it's nice and creamy. Okay, look at this nice, smooth, creamy dressing. Oh, so delicious. I can smell it already, but it's always about the taste, right? That is delicious. And I know you're gonna love this one. So I'll see you next time.